I'm Michael Johnson, the Global Marketing Director at Monitor Audio Group. I'm joined by Charles Minett, our Product Design Director. It's the last day of ISE 2024, and we thought it pertinent to go back over the Creator Series. It's our 4th generation architectural series of speakers for full house integrated audio solutions. Now these products are in market, we're getting a lot of questions. They're going into some fabulous installations, but we wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you and hopefully clear up some of the questions that we've been asked over the last 12 months. So here we are with Creator Series Tier 1. A lot of questions that we get asked from integrators that are very comfortable with our C165 and C180 in-ceiling speakers is, what replaces them? What's the equivalent in this new range?
Yeah, so with the new 3-tier system, Tier 1 is the replacement for the 100 series products that we made in the previous generation. But we've kept the cutout sizes, but we've dropped the numbering system, simplified the numbering system to just be small, medium, large cutout sizes. So the 165 with the 6.5-inch driver, we've now stepped that up in size, but we've kept that cutout size. So you have the 7-inch. So the C1M is the natural replacement for the C165, and the ever popular C180 is replaced by the new C1L. And again, the driver size has stepped up on the C1L to be a 9-inch driver now, but in the same cutout size as the C180. And that means you can retrofit old installs into the new product much easier because we haven't altered that outer dynamic.
So that path to upgrade is really, really simple. Same cutout size, bigger drive units, more power, better audio performance. Fantastic.
Yeah, and you get all the features that we've now added to the Creator Series as well. You get the new tri-grip dog legs. They feature on all 3 tiers, as does the new Quick Link easy install terminal.
So we're going to come back to the technology in a bit more detail for you all. But let's also talk about the grills. We always pass over the grills, and that's another question that has come up from integrators. Let's just talk a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so we've got an all-new grille on the Creator Series. That has been designed with feedback from installers saying that the previous grille was a bit bulky, so we've made it much slimmer. We've got rid of the bulky rim around the edge.
So there's no rim at all now on the grills?
No, it's really seamless into the ceiling, so much nicer for those really critical installs where the finishing touches are key. We actually really dug deep on this as well. It's an all-new pattern. It's not actually a circular pattern, it's a hexagonal pattern which maximizes acoustic transparency. But we've also looked at the white itself. It's now a matte finish, previous gloss finish. Actually, in certain lighting environments, you would get reflection. We've worked really hard to reduce that. So again, it just blends in easier in home installations.
That's really interesting, and these are again just the amazing levels of detail that we've gone into for Creator Series. The in-wall products, now they're quite different again to the previous in-wall models that we've done, and obviously it's quite clear the physical differences, but would you like to just pick up on a few key areas as to why we've done this?
Yeah, of course. I mean, the biggest maybe aesthetic change we've made of the whole of the Creator Series is we've altered the cutout size of our in-wall product, and that's to go with design trends in the home. TVs have got so much bigger in the last decade, with 85, 100-inch screens becoming the norm in a lot of the world. And the previous cutout sizes of in-wall speakers just look strange around TVs and in walls. So we've looked at optimizing the design to be more elongated so it blends around the screen a lot more. This was a key request when we were doing what we called the MAP program, talking to installers during the development of this product. That request was key. So we have the W1ME, which is the successor to the old W165, and we have the W1M, and the W1M actually replaces the old W180. The 2 5-inch drivers in this actually give us the same surface area as the old 8-inch driver, so it works in exactly the same way. It actually really packs a punch. This is a really great speaker, replacing those popular W180 AV installs.
And now keeps that lovely sort of modern aesthetic by doing that and having the twin bass mid drivers. Fantastic.
Yeah.
The one of the other things that we should mention whilst we're talking about Creator Series and Tier 1, but this applies to the whole range, is that the packaging is completely 100% recyclable on all the models. This means not only are we being more sustainable, it actually is really great for the practical integrator doing the install. They can flat pack the cardboard packaging, it can go into the recycling bin, or it can be reduced, obviously, and packed back into the van without all the big boxes. And all
Exactly.
that sort of stuff.
I'm not going to get sent emails of vans full of polystyrene anymore. That was a message we got loud and clear, and we've worked hard to make sure we've got a product that is fully recyclable with the packaging. But the key thing is it's still robust. Those packaging and boxes have been drop tested to the same standard as the old product, so it's really, really robust on site. You don't need to worry about product breakage either.
Fantastic.